Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Terisha. I'm a wife and stay-at-home mama of two beautiful girls. I'm also a student, and on this channel you can find tons of homemaking motivation. Clean with me. If that's something you enjoy, please do consider subscribing. It helps my channel out so much, and it costs absolutely nothing. It's totally free. It just allows you to be notified whenever I post a video, so you can tune in. Also, I would appreciate it if you guys give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I'm going to stop right here and let you guys enjoy this laundry motivation, and I'll catch back up with you guys later on in the video. So have a blessed day, and I hope you guys stick around and watch till the end. Thank you for coming back to the channel. I want to take a minute to thank Play Elevated for sending me this amazing board game. Hubby and I have been looking for a board game to play for the longest while, and this is something absolutely new to me. I'm not sure if it's new to him, but I absolutely cannot wait to try it. I absolutely love the color of the box. Y'all know I love blue. This is so sleek and sexy. I love the way it feels. I love the gold accent on the box, and you can travel with it. So definitely love it. It looks so luxe and sexy. It feels so good also, guys. So I can't wait to try it and play it. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description box to the product. If you guys want, you can go ahead and check it out. And once again, thanks to Play Elevated for sending me this amazing board game. I cannot wait to try it with the family and have some fun.
Drink juice from the sweetest berries.
So guys, you might have seen me rocking. I was just here listening to some gospel music, and the girls and I was singing and rocking and dancing while I feel. And I just can listen to music while I work, especially gospel music, and the girls love it also. I mean, they get a kick. It keeps them quiet, it keeps them still, and they just squeal on the top of their lungs.
Kiss my tears with music.
So guys, I do upload videos twice a week. My current upload days are Saturdays and Tuesdays at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As my schedule died down a little bit because I am busy with school and a lot right now, so as I get more free time, I'm hoping to up my upload schedule to at least 3 or 4 times a week. But for now, it's just 2 times. I might throw in a bonus video here and there when I find some free time to do so. I do want to change the time though when I upload, because right now I upload at 2 p.m. I used to when I started to upload at 12 p.m. and then I changed it to 1 and then 2 p.m. because the girls don't sleep at night, so we're always up. So 2 p.m. works best for me. However, it's not about me, it's what works best for you guys. So please do leave us comment down below and let me know what time works best for you guys, because I know most of us are on different time zones. And when do you prefer cleaning? Do you prefer cleaning in the morning, in the afternoon, or at night? For me personally, I love cleaning at night because I love waking up to a clean house and just feel like, especially if we wake up late that day, by the time I look, the day is almost done. So cleaning at night for me is what works best. But what time do you guys prefer cleaning, and what time would you want some cleaning motivation? And also, what type of content you want to see during the summertime, like now or even after summer? Leave suggestions down below, video ideas. Like, do you guys want to see get it all done videos? I know I do the girls hair myself, so I have a whole wash day and hair day routine for them, among other stuff other than just cleaning. I love to cook, so I could do videos like those too. but I do a ton of hauls. I haven't done any cooking in a while on this channel, but do leave a comment down below and let me know, guys, what do you prefer?
Somewhere a million miles away. You look like you wanna try the same. I love it.
Also, guys, what plans do you guys have for the summer? Do you have any trips planned? Do you have family trips? What new? I know for us, my daughter turns 1 in a couple of days, so we're excited about that. We're going to be celebrating her birthday, maybe probably 2 days after her actual birthday, but I'm excited. My baby is growing up on us. She's about to be 1. Like, I cannot believe that I'm about to have a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old. Lord help me, I'm going to have 2 toddlers running around. It's going to be crazy. But I'm excited about it. So guys, if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you for taking time out of your busy day to stick with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave me a like and a comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a blessed day, y'all. So guys, I'm going to close out here. I still got those 2 socks to fold, but I don't think I'm going to do that today. I might do it while I'm watching a movie. We're going to get dinner started. I'm going to go ahead and I'll come get her. I'm going to go ahead and start dinner, and then I'll probably fold those during while I watch movie. Love you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment, and I'll see you in my next one.